How to view deleted photos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. The purpose of a phone's Photos or Gallery app is to view, organize, and manage photos and videos stored on the device. Scroll down to select Photos. Once you select the photos you want to delete, tap the Delete button at the bottom right. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap on Delete Photo to confirm. Now, scroll all the way down until you reach the Utilities section at the bottom. Within Utilities, tap on the Recently Deleted album to view the deleted photos. You have to authenticate with Face ID or your passcode to access the recently deleted folder. Following these steps, you can easily view deleted photos on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.